Hello, this is partnership lesson 1. In this I will discuss basics of partnership with question. Now this topic is very simple. Let's say suppose three people started the business A, B and C. Their investments are in the ratio, let's say I1, I2 and I3. They invested this much money. A invested I1, B invested I2 money and C invested I3 money. This is their investment. This is a time period. Let's say A money was there for T1 time period, B invested for T2 time period and C invested for T3 time period. It means that A investment I1 was there in the business for T1 period. Now ratio of profit, how the profit will be divided? Simply the person money was there for how much time, that will be the ratio of their profit. So A invested I1 for T1 time period, ratio B invested I2 for T2 time period and C invested I3 for T3 time period, that will be the ratio of their profit. The profit will be divided in the ratio of investment into time. Which person money, which quantity was there for how much time period, in that ratio there will be profit will be divided. That is the only concept in the partnership. For example, I am taking a simple example, then we will start with the questions. For example, A, B and C, their investment is, let's say A invested 10,000, B invested 20,000 and C invested 30,000. This is their investment. Time period, let's say A invested for 12 months, that is 1 year. B invested for 8 months. B money 20,000 was there in the business for 8 months. C money 30,000, let's say this money was there in the business for 6 months. Now at the end of the year, if I say at the end of the year, if the profit out of business is, let's say 60,000, this is the profit. Now in which ratio the profit will be divided? The ratio of profit, ROP means ratio of profit, will be investment into time. 10,000 into 12, 20,000 into 8, 30,000 into 6. You have to take the ratio. Now 40 and 40 will get cancelled out. You are left with 12 is to 16 is to 18. Again divide by 2. You will get 6 is to 8 is to 9. That in this ratio the profit will be divided. And what will be the B share? If I want to calculate what will be the B share in the profit. Now total parts are 6 plus 8 plus 9. That is 9 plus 8, 17 plus 6, 23 parts are there, out of which B got 8 parts. So B share will be 8 by 23 out of total profit TP. Can I say this is equal to 8 by 23 into total profit? I know that this is equal to 60,000. So that much money that B will get out of 60,000. So this is the basic of partnership. Let's solve some question on the base of this. Now you have understood the basic. Please try to solve each and every question of this class first by yourself, then look at the way I have solved, and that would be the best learning for you. Once you try to solve yourself, then you will face problem, then you will fight with the questions, then you will try to solve the question. If not able to solve, the solution is always there, as I will explain. So first try to solve yourself, then look at the way I have solved. Important thing is that we have to solve the question with logic, with least writing, because this aptitude exam we have to solve the question in least possible time. First question is, A started the business. One person is A, other person is B. A started the business with rupees 10,000. So A investment is 10,000. What is B? B joined the business with investment of 40,000. B investment is 40,000. What is the time period? A started the business. It's nothing like given ki A left the business. So it means that at the end of the year the profit is 8,800. It means that A money was there in the business for 1 year, or can say that 12 months, because nothing is given like A left the business. It's only given that at the end of the year the total profit. So we will assume that A was there in the business for 12 months. After 2 months B joins, so it means that B was there in the business for 10 months. When A started the business, let's say in January A started the business, so we will assume that B joined in the March. Now ratio of profit, ROP, ratio of profit will be investment into time. So 10,000 into 12, 40,000 into 10. That will be the ratio of the profit. 40 and 40 got cancel out. This is 12 is to 40 divided by 4. This is 3 is to 10. 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40. So 3 is to 10, that is in this ratio the profit will get divided. Now share of B would be how much? B share would be 10 by 13 into 8800. That you can calculate, with the fraction will come, and that will be your final answer. So B share would be 10 by 13 into total profit, that is 8800. Next question is, A started the business with rupees 60,000. A investment is, I am just writing I investment. A investment is 60,000. After 2 months B joined him with rupees 40,000. So B investment is 40,000. Let's say they started the business in January. B joined 2 months later. A left after 6 months. It means that A time period, T time period, A money was there in the business for 6 months, while B stayed at the end of the year. So B joined after 2 months. Let's say B joined, A started the business in January. So B will join the business in March. And B was there in the business for entire year. It means that B was there in the business for 10 months, because he joined 2 months after A. So it means that he was there in the business for 10 months. A left the business 6 months. It means that A was there in the business for 6 months. What is the ratio of profit? A ratio of profit is the investment into time. 60,000 into 6, ratio 40,000 into 10. 40 and 40 got cancel out. You will get 36 is to 40. In this ratio the profit will get divided. This is 10. Divide by 4, 9 is to 10. The profit will get divided in the ratio 9 is to 10. Now by what percent does B gets more than or less than A? Now I told you in the ratio basics that whenever the ratio is given, the number will be 9x and 10x. How to make the ratio into numbers? You can always multiply by a constant. Now what the question says that who got which percentage more than other person. Now B got some percentage more. So B percentage more would be how much? Percentage more is more upon base value into 100. Now B got x more than A, because B got 10x, A got 9x. How much more B got? B got x more upon base value is how much? 9x. We are comparing B with A. Our number is B, which is 10x. It is how much more than 9x? X. We are comparing with this with A, so A will be act as a base 9x into 100. So 1 by 9 into 100, that percentage B will get more than A. This is 11, 1 by 9% will be your final answer. It means that B will get total amount 11, 1 by 9% more than the total amount of A out of the total profit. Question 3 is, Sohan and Mohan started a business with respective investment of 20,000 and 30,000. This is a Sohan investment, this is the Mohan investment. Investment is, Sohan invested is 20,000 and Mohan is 30,000. The managing partner receives a salary of 21,000. Sohan is he is managing the business, so that's why he got the salary of 21,000. He got the salary out of a total profit of 96,000. Find the total amount received by Sohan. Now time period, nothing is given about the time period, so we will assume that both was there in the business for entire year, that is 12 months. So ratio of profit will be investment into time. 20,000 into 12, 30,000 into 12. 40 and 40 got cancelled out. This is 24. This is 36. Can I say this is 2 is to 3? Or simply you can say that when the time period is same, the profit will be in the ratio of investment. Investment was in the ratio 2 is to 3. So profit will also be in the ratio 2 is to 3. Now, but the question says that out of a total profit of 96,000, Sohan received a salary of 21,000. So total profit is 96,000. Out of his Sohan's salary is 21,000. First he will get his salary, then the remaining profit will be how much? Remaining profit would be 96,000 minus 21,000, that is 75,000 will be remaining profit. Now this remaining profit will get divided among Sohan and Mohan in the ratio 2 is to 3. And that's the common sense, because first the managing partner will get its salary, that is 21,000. Total profit was 96,000. So remaining profit was 75,000. Out of this 75,000 total profit, remaining profit, this profit will divide it in the ratio of their investment, because both stayed for the same period, 2 is to 3. Now Sohan will get how much out of this? So Sohan will get 2 parts are for Sohan, 3 parts are for Mohan. So Sohan will get 2/5 of the remaining profit, RP. 2/5 of 75,000, that is 30,000 the Sohan will get. 30,000 out of profit and 21,000 for his salary. So how much he is getting? 30,000 plus 21,000, 51,000 total money the Sohan will get in this year. 30,000 as a profit and 21,000 as his salary. So these are the basic questions that can come in partnership. Very easy question. You can solve these kind of question under a minute. So that was all about partnership lesson 1 basics with questions. Thank you.